We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I know, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight.
Yeah, I think this is right now an inflection point where we're sort of, redefining how we interact with digital information. And it's through, the form of these AI systems that we collaborate with. And maybe we have several of them, and maybe they all have different competences. And maybe we have a general one that kind of follows us around everywhere, knows everything about, my context, what I've been up to today, what my goals are, sort of in life, at work, and kind of guides me through and coaches me and so on. And, you can imagine that being super, super powerful. So I think we are right now at this inflection point of redefining what this looks like. But, there is also, we don't know exactly what the future looks like.
I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. We were just kids when we fell in.
We were good, we were gold. Can the dream that can be so? We were right till we weren't. Build a home that was deeper. I didn't wanna leave, I didn't wanna lie. Started to cry, but then remembered I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, say things you don't understand.
時日會蔓延再蔓延，某些不可改變的改變，如一些不要發現的發現，就這麼放大了缺點。來讓我問誰可決定，那些東西叫做權利之線，我只懂得。
Yes, one. And in this manner, he was to imagine me his love, his mistress, and I set him every day to woo me, at which time would I, being but a moonish youth, grieve, be effeminate, changeable, longing and liking, proud, fantastical, apish, shallow.
You want to know how I got these scars? My father was a drinker and a fiend. And one night, he goes off crazier than usual.
You have done nothing but tell me how bored you were. I was the chore, the job you didn't want to do. To me, you were everything.